Full-time off-grid cabin living means building or adapting small dwellings in remote locations. These places aren't magazine spreads or polished retreats. They're rough, raw, and built out of necessity and determination. Take the Missouri homesteader who pulled together a log cabin retreat using reclaimed barn wood, spending about $50,000 including solar power. Or the writer in Washington who ordered a 24-foot yurt kit for $19,000 and had it up in a weekend, later describing it as just me, the deer, and the owls. DIY A-frames pop up on Reddit all the time, chosen for their steep, snow-shedding roofs and simple designs. Tiny houses are another staple. Prefab kits cost $20,000 to $50,000, while bare-bones shells can be built for as little as $5,000 in materials. Others see potential in shipping containers, welding them into homes piece by piece. The numbers add up quick, though. Land in the middle of nowhere might only be a few $1,000s an acre, while a patch of forest in the mountains could run $30,000 to $400,000 per acre. One builder on Reddit paid $140,000 for 12 acres in Washington with road and water access. On the low end, people report knocking together a 400 square foot DIY cabin for $5,000. On the high end, contractors quote six figures. One 1,056 square foot off-grid cabin was priced at $525,000 by a general contractor. The hidden costs hit hardest. Wells, $10,000 to $20,000. Septic systems, $15,000 to $20,000. Solar setups, $3,000 for basics, $15,000 plus for whole house systems. Many people bypass those with hacks, rainwater barrels, composting, or bucket toilets, old car batteries, and wood stoves.